This is a little bit of a bulk pickup that just showed up. Came from, I want to say Sinaloa, up north. Guy had contacted me and asked me if I was interested. Let's see what we got here. This would be Alpenflage backpack. What is that? Medium regular. What year? Don't be yellow. No. Let's see. 1987. It's good looking. All right, let's see what else. Got some Flectard. To be a good size, 1999. Jacket. This one looks beat. Look at the color difference. Anyway. And what else? This one. It's extra large. Let's see the tag. 1992. Stiff. All right. And another. No, all right. Lies. That's a Parker. Let's see the tag here. Oh, big size. But yeah, that's good looking too. Ugh, I apologize for the angles. Ooh, here's something I haven't ever had in my possession. Look at that. Push. Tagged Camo 92. That's nice. What else? There's a little British Royal Air Force. Let's see. Yep. Flag. You got a tag on it. Yeah, excuse the honking horns. This is the sound of Mexico. All right. Yeah, it's the lightweight jacket. DPM. All right. You know, this is I think the second. I can't remember the name of this, but it sounds foolish. Tropentarn, the desert German. This is the second one that I found here. It's a little bit rare. This is a big size. And here's the flash. All right. Stay tuned and I'll hang them all up and we'll go one by one.